Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your order on Shein and get your money back. So first step, you need to open the Shein app. So once Shein is open, here you can see your cart. So let me select this product and add on into the cart. Select size. So here is my cart. Select that, go on to the checkout, and then you need to confirm your order by clicking on continue. And after that your order is placed, you simply need to click on me, and here you can see my orders. Click on view all, and here you can find your order. So you simply need to select that your order, and if you want a refund, so you simply need to cancel the order. As you can see, I already canceled this order. So once your order is cancelled, you have an option to get your refund into your account. So once your order is refunded, you will get your refund back into your account or either in your wallet. So you can check your wallet balance, or you can check your bank account that you have received your refund back. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.